Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 for traffic reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in analytics.google.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Google Analytics sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address associated with it. Click on the Next button. Next, enter your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will see the Google Analytics dashboard. If this is your first time using Google Analytics 4, you may need to complete the account setup process. To proceed, click on Start Measuring if prompted. Fill in the required details about your account and property. Continue through the prompts to configure your settings. Once you reach the main dashboard, look for the Reporting section on the left sidebar. Click on Reports to access your traffic data. From here, you can explore various metrics and dimensions related to your website traffic. Use the Date Range selector at the top right to analyze specific timeframes. To view more detailed reports, navigate through the different categories like Lifecycle and User. You can also set up custom dashboards and reports based on your analysis needs. For quick insights, check the real-time report to see live user activity. Feel free to explore the various tools and features available in Google Analytics 4. Remember to save any important configurations or custom reports you create for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.